They got Wembanyama jerseys for 70% off. Look at this. $20 for these Mitchell & Ness Dodgers hoodies right here. Look at this. These are definitely the cheapest Zoom Freaks we've ever seen. At $30, that's definitely the cheapest I've seen them. And they still got the Bad Bunny campuses. Drove way across town to check out this spot. Pretty big surprise. Wow, they're renovating the locker room by Lids. Wow. They got a chance at Pro Image right next door, but we got to start here. And straight to the 70% off. I hope this ain't the only rack, man. Come on now, man. Come on now, man. They got Wembanyama jerseys for 70% off. Holy cow, really? Wow. Wow. And they got multiple sizes. Then this one, oh, it's a 3XL. I was like, if this is a small, that's the third time I've seen that. I gotta grab it, but nah, I'm glad I don't have to buy that. Sometimes I feel like pressured to buying things because they're such good deals. This is one of their, what the hell is it called? Homegrown artists that they have been promoting. I don't see a tag for that, but yeah, Nike hoodies right here. Got multiple Nike hoodies, 70% off. Got this one as well, $82, 70 off. Dang, got. All right, they told me I can't take video. I did walk around, didn't really see much. The Wembanyama jerseys, that's crazy. That is crazy for 70% off. All right, let's go see what's going on at this Champs right here, where they used to have a clearance section where you get 70% off. They've really neutered Champs. I swear to God. And they definitely got a bunch of dope pieces. Pro Standard pants right here, normally 100. Got them in multiple sizes. Got new era gear right here. Rams gear, $100 hoodies down to 50. And this stuff is dope. I don't know. I guess I've been spoiled by the 70% off at Foot Lockers. They have these jackets right here. These Pro Standard Kings jackets, $250. Multiple sizes. They got nice stuff. And they have a huge clearance section. I just prefer 70% off instead of 50. 50 off Pro Standard Warriors gear right here. Got hoodies. Got Laker stuff. More of the same that I showed up there. 50% off, not bad. And these have been interesting. I've been seeing this for 50. I've been seeing them for 60. Kind of weird how the prices have varied. 574s, I kind of like those. 4 different colorways of the 990s made in the USA, which is pretty dope. They always use really nice materials on all these. They're not cheap though, $2. But how many other shoes are made in the United States? Material's just really nice on all these. 480s right here. Look at this, $40. Clean New Balances. Definitely their take on the Pandas right here, but 40 freaking bucks. This is a size 13 though. It does look hella big. More New Balance deals right here. 550s. Going for way cheap. Holy cow. Oh, someone just left that. I was like, what the hell? What the hell? Here, throw these in here, I guess. But I do got some Reeboks right here. Pretty clean if you like red. Matches 90s gear, I guess. And they got these Asics. I don't know what the hell these are called. What the hell are these called? I don't know. But they got them for $60, 50, 70 right here. And they got these Asics as well. I don't know the names of these. My bad, you guys. I don't know. They got Japanese names. Got some Converse Chucks right here. All-Stars down to 30 freaking dollars. Lowlands finally being discounted. These are like 90 bucks. I was like, these are no way for, especially for the canvas versions right here. But yeah, they are all on sale, $40. These are all canvas. I guess they got the canvas line. I'm not aware of that. I got some Vans right here, some rough suede, but $30, you can't complain. Did I walk past? They're 70% off, but yeah, unfortunately, just t-shirts. t-shirts. We found t-shirts for hella cheap. Plenty of places, right? Do have a pro image, and I found some steals here. They do have a sales rack, actually 2 sales racks. And they even have sales on some of the Michelin-esque swingman jerseys on the wall. Got LJ right there, Nowitzki, got Spreewell, Bibby, Hill, and McGrady, and they got multiple sizes of all that stuff. I never see 49ers gear on sale. Holy cow. Of course, they're just double XL, so obviously they ain't gonna fit me. But Nike hoodies, double XL, $40, normally $110. Holy cow. Dodgers hoodie right here, $40. That's pretty nice. This is New Era brand. Nike Dodgers hoodie right here, $40, normally $100. $5 t-shirts, LA Galaxy t-shirts going for $5. USA team, that's the women's USA team. Lakers Mitchell and Ness. These are sweatshirts right here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. These are $40, normally $100. They got large, double XL. They got mediums. Chargers. I don't know what the hell they call this thing. Like a warm-up shirt, $40. They got them in Rams as well as the Pittsburgh Steelers. Also got Broncos as well. Then also Mitchell and Ness jerseys. Obviously sizing's definitely going to be an issue on these. But Muggsy Bogues? Holy cow, Muggsy Bogues. Double XL. It's like bigger than his actual size. And dude got Reggie Theus. Oh, that Muggsy Bogues was $50. Reggie Theus, $50. A couple of sizes. Dude got a Karl Malone jersey. Those are $50. That's a huge size though. What's this? What's this right here? Boston practice jersey. It is a finals. This one's pretty dope. Pretty dope. It is a small, unfortunately, $50. Got Smith jerseys, Chris Paul jerseys, double XL. Yeah, $50 for those. Got those in double XL sizes only, it looks like. Oh, they got XL as well. They got Alonzo Mourning jerseys down to $50. I see a large, I see a small, I see multiple sizes on those. And then I see a Mexico jersey right here. Headgear Classics. I don't really know that brand. $60 though. And those of you ballers that don't really care about sales, they got all kinds of genuine apparel. They got Mitchell and Ness jerseys right there. They got more basketball jerseys up top. Football season, so they got plenty of football jerseys. All those throwback jerseys. These are, I think it's a women's as well, but they got plenty of stuff going for retail. So yeah, if you need a jersey, definitely worth a stop. Then they got the second sales rack. Look at this, $20 for these Mitchell and Ness Dodgers hoodies right here. Look at this, $20 freaking dollars. They don't have double XL, so they got a couple of them. Got Broncos Nike hoodie right here, $20. Holy cow, they got mediums. They got Rams hoodies right here, Rams jacket. Nike fleece jacket going for $40. Plenty of Rams gear. Dude, this place is definitely worth a stop for y'all. Mitchell and Ness Lakers windbreaker. These are going for $60. That's a size medium. Got women's shirts right here. $20 for Rams. Also got a Dodgers Fanatics women's shirt going for $20. It looks pretty big. It's pretty big. Got Rams gear for $20 as well. Okay, all right. Mostly women's gear on that one. A warm-up pullover, $20. That is an XL though. Pretty dope for Raiders gear. Also got Rams long sleeve shirts, $20. They got a few different sizes here. Got Angel starter jacket right here, $60 for those. Dodgers. Is this New Era? I was gonna say New Era. Hoodies are dope. Small. Going for $40. That's perfect for women. That's what's up. Got Steelers gear. They got a lot of stuff, dude. A lot of stuff. Angels. Green Bay t-shirt, $25. Denver old school logo. That's a Mitchell and S. Windbreaker down to $60, normally $135. So more than 50% off a lot of this stuff right here. $20 for double XL hoodie. Not bad at all, man. Holy cow. And look at this. I've never seen these before. Wait, yeah, these are going for $40. I don't know what the regular price is. I've never really seen these before. But pretty dope. $40. They got all kinds of teams represented. They got a new lids coming. Lids HD. That's kind of interesting. I haven't heard much about that. Chic's been pretty legit lately. What the hell are these? Some new Crocs. Echo Storm Crocs. The Tundra? Is that the color? I don't know. But $100 for these. That's definitely interesting. I've not been paying attention to all the Crocs releases. But they got these slides on sale. And also got the Dodgers as well as the Hello Kitty. $55 for those. Got the SpongeBob's. Got the McDonald's ones. These are going for $70. Lakers. $60 for this one. This, I think it's an older one. That's why. And then got the Star Wars one. This one looks way fancy. This one's going to be the most by far because the most work went into it, right? $75, yeah. A lot more work went into this one. Oh, snap. They got Captain America as well. Okay, I don't see a price tag. Do I see a price tag on this one? No, no price tag on this one. I think Captain America also got this Star Wars one right here as well. Different slide, no price tag on that one as well. They got that Kobe right there. What are these, the Crazy 8s? Go for $110, and then look at this, $60 for this one. Are you serious? Wow. But it's like way up there, you can't even see them, man. Damn, dude. Especially at short fools. Taking a look at the Jordan section. They got plenty of Jordans. We've seen most of them on sale a million times, so they got plenty of Jordans on sale. Summer has ended, so all the slides on sale. $40 for the Nike Calms. These are $30 right here. Pretty dope. And then $40 for those. Grade school section right here. Got some Dunks. Pretty solid price on them. These are pretty clean right here. Never seen this colorway. $100 for those. Chicago already on sale. Holy cow. Got Forces in the grade school right here. Got a couple of them on sale. And this one's even cheaper. Okay. And more sales on Cortezes lately. Lately, all of them have been going on sale. Pretty dope. And then Air Max 97s right here. LeBron's in a grade school, cheapest. You'll see them. And then Jaws right here. Look at this. What? You serious? Zoom Freaks for $30? Holy cow. They don't get no cheaper than that. Wow. Women's Air Force One right here. I've never seen these before. Denim Forces right here. These are some mids, obviously. And $60 for these. Okay. And then more Cortez in the women's. Look at this one right here. Look at this one. $30. $30 for white Cortezes. Holy crap, that is insane. $40 for this one. This one's pretty clean as well. But yeah, $30. That's definitely the cheapest I've seen them. I think I grabbed these for like 40 something. But this is insane. There's no way they're gonna have bigger sizes. It's a 6.5 on display. I did ask to see if they have my size. 8.5 women's. That's the biggest I got. That's just too cheap. Holy cow. And they still got the Bad Bunny campuses right here. Man, I'm gonna be honest, if I had the money, I probably would grab these, but yeah, man, these are dope, dude. These are dope. I love the suede, long hair suede. Wish the laces were slightly fatter, a little bit fatter, but these are dope, dude. They're dope. I do like the campuses. Man, what did these go for? What did they go for? 160 for those bad boys right there. Got a couple of more shops. Had to come look for this reduced section. This is not that big of a reduced section. When the hell did these come out? What the hell? Is that a grade school? This is a grade school, Ken Griffey. Never seen this size. Size 6, 6.5 only. Yeah, it looks like grade school because these J's are grade school. This looks like it's a women's. Damn, that's cheap, 60 bucks. I got some gazelles. Okay. Grade school stuff right here. I walked right past the men's, dude. I'm tripping. Okay. Cortez's. You're a Miami Dolphins fan. That's all you right there. Okay. Definitely not 30 bucks, but still not bad. 70 for the SEs right here, the mids. Got some Club C's. Not bad. Material on these are just really nice. Vomero 5s, Air Max 90s right here. Got some Converse, go for $45. Been seeing a lot of dunks. A lot of dunks on sale. Jordan 1 High OGs. Then some lows. That's about it, dude. And of course, haven't talked about too many Jordans, so let's talk about some of the J's. Got the 6s. Of course, we've seen the green glow ones on sale everywhere. Latest release, and then the latest ones, which have been on sale at a bunch of spots already. Kind of crazy. Got Comforts right there, almost 50 off. And then Jordan 1 Highs on sale. Got one last store. And then the first time I've seen these Jordan 5s on sale. What they got them at? Oh man, come on now. $25 off? Or 22? Yeah, these are 25. So $2.25 down to $2. And then these Jordan ones, I can't believe these are already on sale. $130 for these. These just came out like a month ago. And the Hydros also on sale, $40 freaking dollars. That is dope. And the 6s right here, $150 for those, I believe. $100 for the 2 lows. $70 for those, and then $90 for these as well. They don't have the gray low OGs like Hollywood and Highland though. Okay. Campuses on sale. These got that nice suede right here. Okay, and I think these are better than the Gazelles and the Sambas for White Feet Gang. And then got some of the Shoe Palace exclusives right there. Grinches also on sale, as well as the baby blue colorway. And then the Adidas Crazy 8s. And then all kinds of New Balances on sale. Of course, I'm gonna go to the 574s immediately. But yeah, 50 bucks, not too bad. I'm not digging that colorway too much. Also, these are pretty freaking cheap, the 480s. 9060s, is that the cheapest we've ever seen, the 9060s? 90 bucks, definitely a solid price for those. 2002Rs, multiple going for 100, and then of course the 550s, we've been seeing these on sale. Got some patent leather ones right there. Got some cool gray looking ones right here. Oh, and how are they on sale here, but they weren't at Hollywood and Highland? $90, $80 for the Steph Currys. Not bad. These are the Curry 11s too, so that's not bad at all. $90. And then Vomero prices, the Vomero 5s. I want to say it's like tough to beat at this spot because Shoe Palace really been having really good sales on them. $100 freaking dollars, and then $90 for this one right here. I don't think I've seen this color, but yeah, this one's nice. Oh wait, the Volt colorway right here, also $90. Nice. Then got the Dunk lows right here, down to $80. Got Forces going for $80 as well. Cortez going for $60. Dunks right here go for $100. Air Max 90s go for $100 as well. Pretty solid selection of sneakers on sale. I did forget to show the Jumbo Dunks right here as well. Is this a return, or is this the latest colorway of the Griffies? I've never seen this colorway before, so I want to say this is the latest one right here. Okay. And I think that's it, man. Drove all the way out here. Pretty decent deals. Foot Locker did piss me out, but it is what it is. We out, man. We out. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Press that like button. We out, man. We out.